everyone, Janice this side and welcome to AI Central. Today we are looking at the concept of DIKW Pyramid, which is also known as knowledge hierarchy. In this hierarchy we have 4 levels and it starts from data at the foundation level. Data is the raw facts and figures. Next in the level, on the top of data we have information. Information is the processed data. It helps us to understand what does the raw data means and it adds some meaning to the raw data. Next, on the top of information we have knowledge. Knowledge helps us to recognize the patterns and understand the relationships in the information that we have. It helps us to understand the why concept behind the data that we have. And at the top of the pyramid we have wisdom. Wisdom is the knowledge applied in action and it helps us to understand and answer the question that what can be done with the knowledge that we have. So this was about the today's video regarding DIKW Pyramid. If you found this interesting, do follow AI Central for more such insights. See you guys in the next video.